Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the text on your PC screen. So if you're having a hard time reading text on your screen, whether the font's too small, blurry, or just not clear enough, don't worry, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can fix text clarity and make everything easier to read on Windows 11. So what you need to do in here is just click on a search on your taskbar in here and then search for CT Tune. This one, click on it, and here you'll see this is the it will be open the clear type text turner. So what you need to do in here, it will make the text on your screen easier to read. You can see clear type make the text you see on the screen sharper, clearer, and easier to read. Let's just click on next. So Windows makes sure your monitor is set to its native resolution. So this is my resolution, and let's click on next again. And what you need to do is just click on the sample that look best to you. For example, you can just choose which one that you think easier for you to read. I think it's this one. Then click on next again, and then here you can choose again. I'm going to do this one, for example, next. Okay, next again. And the last one. So as you guys can see, it will be finished. You can just tap on finish after that. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.